Congratulations, you have taken that first important step towards creating your very own online course. That is booking a call with us to see if we are good fit. There is homework for you, my friend, before you talk to us. Number one, look at some of the testimonials from our past clients. So you can understand that we've been in business for a long time. We are great at what we do. And I don't want that just come from us. I want those things come from our clients. So watch some of those videos below this video. See, what they had to say about working with us. Then number two, this is very important. Head over and check your email. We sent you a list of different examples of our previous work. Sales pages, sales videos. You can check their funnels, click around and see what we have built. There's a lot of work has been invested. A lot of people have worked on those funnels because I want you come prepared. I don't want to be in a situation where you still don't know what we do, you don't know what we've done. I want you coming prepared so that we can speed up the process for you and us. As you can sense right now, I am not about wasting time. I'm all about productivity and making things happen. I am all about creating results for you, my friend. All right, so what's your homework? Watch some of those testimonials, head over, check your email, look at those examples. That way you come prepared and write some questions down. The more prepared you are, the more we'll get out of that free consultation that's coming up. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I hope I had the opportunity to work with you. And again, 10 to 14 people will be part of this project. Thank you, and we'll speak with you soon.